So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically upload a full photo within Instagram. So you might be in a situation where you have a photo like this one. Let's say you have a photo such as this, not this, like this, and it's cropped out at the top and the bottom, right? But you want to make it look like a full photo on Instagram stories. So you can do this now. You can do this by going inside of your Instagram application like this, and using Meta AI, we can expand the photo. So what we can do is we can swipe to the side inside of our story panel, and we want to upload that photo. So in this case, I have this photo. Let's just use this one. The top and the bottom is basically just kind of blown out and it doesn't really look that great, right? Well, if you look at the very top, so we have a couple of icons. We have these icons right here, but then we have this icon right here that shows like arrows kind of pointing away from it, right? Well, what we can do is we can go through and we can click onto this photo right here, this icon, and watch what happens. This will actually kind of fill in the photo on the top and the bottom and make it look like an actual full-on photo. So it really just used AI to fill in the gaps kind of all throughout everywhere. So now I can go ahead and just use this photo and upload it right into Instagram. So now I can go ahead and basically go through and click on done and watch. I can now just basically use this photo whichever way I want to and just publish it as if it was like the actual right image that I wanted to use. So it's a really cool thing, and that's essentially how you use it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.